Markets go higher. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It's hump day, Wednesday, July 20th, 2016. And the markets are bullish, going across the indices here as a whole. Banks though down, financials slightly higher, and let's see here, noteworthy, big drop in gold, big drop in silver. Bad news here, and the VIX decreasing by 2.5%. Looking at the S&P, no, actually looking at the Qs right now. The Qs, up, and a boom on a tick higher on volume. You can see that volume right down here. We do tick higher on that pop, which is decent to see if you're a bull. The spider, sideways, boom to the upside, but on nothing volume. The volume has just been minuscule. I expect the volume to be low on sideways movement, but not off of a pop like we received today. So that's suspect. And if we look here at the Dow, we could just continue. I mean, it's the seventh consecutive highest record close here for the Dow and the diamonds. Big pop, but we end up with a red candlestick on light volume, so that should be concerning. And we look here, small caps still in a base, so small volume is to be expected. We haven't broke out yet there. Banks, we continue to drop. We had an inverted hammer thinking that we'd get a pop. We have not received that, at least not yet. Financial stocks, what's interesting here, gang, is we popped up, even though we have a red candlestick, we are above a resistance point. The reason this is significant is because of this big blue trend line. If we go back, this puts us back at July. This is last year, 1 year ago, on July 22nd and 23rd of 2015. Take that line, go down, you can see that we touch it right here on November 11th, and you can see that right, the date here, and then we've hit it again a couple times in December 2015. Then we come across to this area at resistance, and that puts us here at June. We come across, we keep hitting it, and then pop above that area, and that is a breaking of resistance. So that's fairly bullish because that has happened. We continued higher on the US dollar. Crude oil, big gap down, but a run up. You can see that people bought into that weakness on big volume. So we could be putting in a low here. This could be a bottom. So I'm not ready to call buy yet. Not at all sold on it at this moment, but it certainly could be that. Gold, remember how I said I'm worried about gold? Dropping, we get, and this is nothing but a bear pullback. Sure enough, bam, to the downside, and we close under a major area of resistance. So that's bad news. Matter of fact, such bad news that I'm going to put a down arrow right there. Whoops. That down arrow is because we broke support. We can hit support here, support. We broke support, so that's not good news. And we drop down on silver down. We're at a support area or nearing that, but that's not good, and that's where we're at. If you go over here on Grok trading tutorials are free for you. Fill out this, and they're brand new. Also, you can join us on our Meet the Mentor free webinars. You can go down here and do it, or click this link. That'll certainly get you started on that. So as far as the videos are concerned here, we do them on a daily basis. If you like it, like it.